Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. Confirm Docker Desktop is installed and the daemon is running. You need that active. Open Eclipse, install the Docker tooling from the marketplace, and restart when prompted. Once done, switch to the Docker perspective and add a new connection to localhost 2375 or the default socket. This gets Eclipse aware of your engine and lets you see images, containers, and registries right away. Now you move into the complex middle steps. Import or create your Java or Node project with a Docker file at the project root. In Eclipse, create a Docker build configuration pointing to that Docker file and include any build args. Then create a Docker run configuration. Map container ports to host ports, mount volumes for dev edits, and set environment variables. Make sure your project builds locally first. Eclipse will call the Docker daemon to build images and run containers, finish by running and verifying the container from Eclipse, then test your app through the exposed host port. You can watch logs in the Docker view and attach the Eclipse debugger to a running container when supported. Once done, stop and remove test containers to keep a clean workspace. If something breaks, first check container logs and image build output. Make sure file paths and port mappings match. A key troubleshooting tip: restart the Docker daemon and reconnect Eclipse if the connection disappears.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.